I'm Mithun.
We both work as IT professional at Bangalore. I work at Global Village.
And I work for Siemens and in Sarjapur. When it comes to first brigade, like I heard about the property called Brigade Panorama. So and I researched about it and I got to know which is Sapurji, which is constructing the basic materials, and many good vendors is involved in it. So and I know about Sapurji's construction quality, which is A class. So that made me look into Brigade Panorama, and when I visited Panorama, it makes me amazing. So that is why I choose Brigade Panorama. This I have a story. Like my dad and mom works as a government official, and they were coming from Mysore, and they saw this amazing property. And my mom's knows his son, so what his likes and dislikes. So and since we are a sport activist, so and also she likes gardening and all, so they like they might have visited, and they saw that and give me a word like go and visit the property. So when I came here, like it was perfect, and brigade has called us for a tree planting, so that makes me buy Brigade Panorama. So actually, we are the third person to move into Brigade Panorama. It's been since like 7 months now. We started living in Brigade Panorama, and which is giving us like A-class living lifestyle. So which is very good.
When we initially came to visit Brigade Panorama, we were taken away with the model apartment that we saw, and probably this is the lifestyle that we were expecting to get into. And as he said, we both are little into marathons and running, and this property is quite big to practice around. And the salesman, they were very friendly. They did explain us about complete property, how it is, and the area around, and what are the activities that we can do. That is something very attractive for us. They were very descriptive. They did said us about all the transportation facilities available around and the connectivity. So that was the best thing to make the decision to buy this one.
Yeah, since I said like entire property, I would say because like I'm a cyclist and a marathon, and also I'm trying to learn swimming because that is my like most spent time now, and also I'm trying to learn tennis as well, which is never played. But since I moved to Brigade Panorama, I started learning with many people who is very interested. And also we have billiards and badminton. So most of the time we don't spend it in our home, so in the property itself.